Welcome to the Deep Dive. Glad you could join us. Today we're getting into something pretty interesting in the digital signage world, the SignMetrix MOKA integration. The big question we're tackling is this. How can businesses take these, really eye-catching MOKA displays and turn them into something genuinely interactive, something that actually delivers a measurable return? How do you make a beautiful screen smart? Let's unpack this.
Yeah, it's a really important question because historically, MOKA displays these big dynamic screens you see in retail, public spaces, everywhere. Really, they look fantastic, great visuals. But adding real interactivity, that's always been tricky, like really complex. Think about running lots of cables, fiddling with fixtures, trying to get sensors to work reliably. It's often a headache. And maybe even worse, trying to figure out if anyone's actually engaging with it and what that means for your investment, your ROI. That's felt almost, impossible sometimes.
Right. So businesses put money into these impressive displays, but they struggle to easily prove they're effective, or even just understand how people are using them.
Exactly. You invest, but you're sort of flying blind on the actual impact.
It sounds like having this amazing visual tool, but not knowing if it's actually doing its job for the business.
Yeah.
Like a beautiful shop window, but you don't know if it's drawing people in. So what's the fix? What's the cutting edge solution here?
Well, that's where the SignMetrix MOKA extension comes in. It's a pretty neat approach. The core idea is its simplicity. You basically just install the SignMetrix app. It's an APK, a standard Android application package right onto the MOKA display itself.
Okay, so no ripping things apart.
No, that's the key.
Yeah.
Once that app is installed, it creates this huge interactive zone around the display. We're talking up to 20,000 square feet. And it uses wireless tech smart tags, these little physical sensors, soft tags, which can be virtual triggers, maybe from a phone, plus people counting sensors. This whole setup automatically triggers content when someone's nearby or interacts, and crucially, it collects all that audience data at the same time.
Wow, okay, that sounds like a big shift. So you're essentially turning any standard MOKA display into a smart interactive hub almost instantly, without a massive hardware project.
Pretty much. It transforms the display into an engagement point.
How does that work for businesses rolling this out? Is it complicated to manage?
It's designed to be really flexible. Plug and play is the goal. And it scales. You could have it on one display in a small shop or across thousands of displays in a big network. It's all delivered through a subscription model, which makes it more accessible and avoids those big upfront integration costs.
Okay, flexible and scalable, that sounds good. But let's talk benefits. What does this actually do for a business? What can they track?
Right. The bottom line, businesses can finally track those vital metrics, things like dwell time, how long are people actually looking, ad reach, how many people saw the content, conversion rates, did the interaction lead to something else, and that overall campaign ROI. It also enables things like lift and learn interactions. Someone picks up a product, the screen changes instantly, and you measure that engagement.
Lift and learn, okay. And you mentioned AI.
Yes, there's a conversational AI insights module. This lets teams literally ask questions of their data, get deeper insights into why things are happening, not just what.
That sounds powerful. Asking your data questions directly.
And scalability isn't just about numbers. It supports anywhere from a single display to over 1,000, all under that same simple subscription approach. So it fits businesses of pretty much any size.
Got it. And where does all this data go? How do you make sense of it?
Good question. It all flows seamlessly into the SignMetrix Cloud dashboard. So in this dashboard, you get real-time audience measurement, clear charts showing your campaign ROI, and those AI-driven insights we talked about. What's really clever, though, is that it works together with other SignMetrix sensors, too.
Oh, okay. Like what?
Like touch screens, proximity sensors, simple push buttons, even RFID or pickup sensors for that lift and learn stuff. It pulls everything together to give you a complete picture of how customers are behaving across different touch points.
So it's building a whole connected ecosystem, not just managing one screen. And you mentioned getting started is easy.
It really is. That's a big focus. The onboarding is straightforward. Download the APK file, deploy it to your MOKA display, and you pretty much instantly start measuring. You bypass all that traditional complexity that used to hold this kind of interactive measurement back.
Okay, let's wrap this up. So, for you listening, the key takeaway here seems to be that the SignMetrix MOKA integration bridges that gap. The gap between having great-looking displays and actually getting measurable business value from them. It offers interactive experiences for customers, but also real-time analytics for the business. No extra wiring needed, scalable through subscription. It's about making every display part of a data-rich conversation.
Exactly. And if you want to learn more about how this could work for you, or perhaps get your hands on a demo kit to try it out, the place to go is signmatrix.com.